So last time I was snow blowing, when I was putting my snowblower back in the shed door hit the light here and it knocked out the bulb. So I can see inside there that the wire is broken, the filament, and it's very easy to replace. The bulb number on this for the 2018 and older is 899. That's the number on the bulb. So let me show you quick how you fix this. So basically, it's just going to plug right in there. You're going to want to pull this lever out and then unplug it. And this part, just twist in. And then you twist it and then plug it in. Simple as that. I didn't get my new bulb yet. At O'Reilly Auto Parts, they're $10.99. That's like a Napa Auto Parts or an AutoZone. So I'm going to maybe check and see online if I can get it cheaper. So basically, again, just twist it, undo that little, just lift that piece right there, and the bulb will come out. There you go. So I found one for $2.29. Like I said, they're $10.99 at a hardware store. So it looks pretty similar, like it would fit. One of the three pieces there broke off when it hit the shed. So this looks like it could work. So I'm going to go with this $2.29 option. See if that works. That's how you replace your 2018 or older snowblower headlight. The newer ones have LEDs.